Yes guys, welcome back to the channel. So somehow I found myself in a lab surrounded by Colombia's most exported product, and in a few hours time I'm going to be jumping out of a plane with this random guy I've just met on the streets of Colombia.
No, 100 kilos. Yeah.
Like, comment, subscribe. Let's get into the video.
Yes guys, as you heard, that is correct. In the next 2 hours I will be jumping out of a moving plane here in Medellin, Colombia. Now the nerves are definitely kicking in, so my tactic is I'm going to try and consume as much caffeine as physically possible in the form of coffee in the next 30 to 40 minutes and hopefully get an unbelievable buzz and just go out there ready to punch a hole in the sun. So that is the plan. We've got the first espresso on the way. They've got about 10 to 12 different coffees to try here, so we're not short of choice, but they are short of staff. They are very slow right now and we're on a time limit, so we need to get things moving. But yeah, I'll see you on the first cup. Let's go. All right, here we go. It's number one, double espresso down the hatch. Woo! Down the hatch. Woof! Two down, baby. Gracias. Let's get this off the ground. Number three. Oh, fuck me, that's hot. I should have waited a minute. I'm going to be buzzing off my absolute tits. I can feel it already. Right, three down. Oh, number four, baby. This is number five, I'm not sure. Fuck me. I'm starting to feel hot in the face, I'm not gonna lie. Ah, yes. Let's go.
¿Es ahorros, corriente o crédito?
Ahorros. After the sixth double espresso, I'm topping out. This sent me straight to the toilet. I've just absolutely destroyed this lovely bathroom they got in here. Look at these nice paintings and that. Just smells of absolute shit. And they've got an event in here today as well. All right, they're gonna need to get the bomb squad in here to get this back to normal. But yeah, we're about to leave. 6 espressos, where we got to? Doubles. Right, I just let my arse fall out in that toilet. We're in a taxi now, we're on the way to the airport, and I'm absolutely buzzing my nut off. Like, my whole face feels warm. Like, I need to take this jumper off in a minute. ¿Qué más?
¿Cómo estás?
Bien, ¿y usted?
¿Preparado o qué?
Claro.
Te envié un documento.
Sí. Más coño.
¿Qué más?
¿Listo? ¿Qué?
No.
Hey, estás en cámara, no ten miedo en cámara, bro.
En este momento tengo un cupo para que alguien vaya de copiloto en el avión si quieres.
Oh, destino. Destino. Destino.
No, yo no quiero perder.
¿Qué dice? ¿Qué dice?
¿Qué?
O sea, no es para saltar, sino para ir de copiloto, pues, y ves cómo salta y todo eso.
Ay, yo quiero, pero es que no, yo no soy capaz de dar a la Cate solita. Somos hermanos.
Si voy de copiloto. No tienes que saltar. Ey.
Tenés, obligado.
Ay, da mucha risa, Marcelo. Bro.
Esteban, usted copiloto y yo salto.
Le dije, es primera vez que voy a montar en avión. Dice que usted es mejor.
Ready. ¿Cómo sientes?
Es primera vez que voy a montar en un avión. Y es primera vez que me voy a montar en un avión y que me voy a tirar. Me siento nervioso.
Sí.
Pero vamos a hacerlo.
Okay, so we're at the airport. We're about to go in now. I'm absolutely off my tits on caffeine right now. I'm buzzing so hard. This fucking idiot over here forgot to bring his passport to an airport because he thought he didn't need it. He's just a stupid Colombian, isn't he? But anyway, what's a adventure without problems? You know, you're always going to have a few problems, a few hiccups. It's how you deal with it. We're ready to go. See you on the runway. What a way to spend my last day in Medellin. I had to jump out of a fucking plane. Fucking go, man.
Mello.
Bellissimo. Che adrenalina, no? I am absolutely buzzing off my nut right now. 5 double espressos and a whole lot of balls, man. Oh. Beleza.
¿Qué más, hombre? ¿Cómo estás?
Bien, sí.
Bien, bien, gracias. Dale.
Bueno.
Suited up, ready. I got confidence in you though. The last guy I done it with, I didn't have confidence. This guy, I have some confidence. He knows what he's doing, man.
If I was a passing,
Yeah.
I will choose another instructor.
Sister.
But, man, everybody is learning, no?
Exactly.
We are learning all the time. So, I have my rights for learning, no?
How much do you weigh?
My weight?
Yeah, like 90
No, 100.
kilos.
Yeah. Yeah. All time in the gym.
Big boy.
Yeah.
Fuck, so 100, I'm like 88, 188 kilos.
Yeah.
Combined.
We are going to be fast.
Yeah.
We are going
188 kilos combined. We're gonna fly.
Buenas.
¿Cómo está?
Bien, usted.
¿Listo, señor?
Feliz día. Muchas gracias.
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 Parcero, ¿quieres que lo grabe entrando?
Listen, I'm gonna do it in English, but we are here.
Okay.
We're in Medellin. We're about to jump out of a plane, and I'm absolutely buzzing. Let's move.
Are you ready for this?
I'm ready. Born ready.
Okay, man. We are going to be sitting next to the door,
Okay.
and we have no door.
Okay, that's perfect.
Ready for this?
Exactly how I like it. Yeah.
Hola, guapo.
Nice. We're back, we made it. Damn, I haven't really lost for words. I've done a bit of an outro already, but we made it back. We're in the city. We're gonna go eat. These are what have been waiting for us. They're starving. Hambre. And yeah, that's it, we're gonna get some food. Let's go. Right guys, some sad news. This will be the last Colombia video for a while. I'm at the airport. just about to catch my flight, my second flight of the day. The first one, just want to be a little bit calmer than the last one, as I won't be jumping out of it. But yeah, that's it. That's it for this journey. On to the next one. Thank you lot for staying tapped in. Listen, like always, like, comment, subscribe. Love you guys. Peace.